Transfer FLOKI from bitget to bybit on PC. How to transfer FLOKI from bitget to bybit on PC? It's easy and simple. Now, first of all, make sure you are logged into your bitget. Now head over to white icon and click on Assets Overview. After that, click on Spot from the sidebar, and now click on Withdrawal. Now after that, from the Select Coin, search for FLOKI. Now after you find it, click on it. Now make sure to select on chain. Now select the network as BIP20. Now the withdrawal address, we need to get it from Bybit. Just go to Bybit, click on deposit. Now after that, on the choose coin to deposit, choose FLOKI. Now click on FLOKI like this. Now the chain, make sure you select the BIP as you selected on the bitget. And now after that, click on acknowledge. Now copy the address from here, and now go back to bitget, paste it here, and click on next. Now after that, enter how much of the FLOKI you want to send, and this is how much of FLOKI you will pay for fees, and this is how much of FLOKI token you will receive on Bybit. So this is how to transfer FLOKI from bitget to Bybit on PC. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.